Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Happy 2025. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below for more content like this, and don't forget to leave a like and comment. In today's video, we're going to be doing the first monthly fire alarm testing for the month of January for 2025. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, for our first device, we're going to test the commercial system. There we go. Alright, now the panel is resetting. Wow. Actually, didn't close that right. Just cut that back to normal, and at the same time it went into back to normal. Why isn't this closing? There we go. Alright. That's it for our commercial side of the system. Now we're going to move on to our residential detectors, and we are going to start off with this, I believe it is a Kide smoke detector here. Don't know why that is flashing red. We'll find out. Here, oh, come on. Bear with me. There we go. Right. This one is good to go. Now we're going to test another one of our smoke detectors. We've got another one that is good to go. Now we're going to test one of our two Kide smoke and CO detectors. Fire! Fire! Warning, carbon monoxide. Alright, that one is good to go. Now we're going to test our last smoke and CO detector. Oh, there we go. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide. Now we're going to do our last smoke detector. Sorry if I made anybody dizzy. Right. System's all good to go. And that is the end of the testing for the month of January, the first test of 2025. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like down below and hit that subscribe button to join the community and for more content like this. I post content mostly on a regular basis, and every month as well if I can't do it on a regular basis. And it has been an amazing time just seeing my channel grow, all thanks to you guys. So thank you guys so much, and it's going to be an incredible year. I've got some exciting plans, both for our commercial fire alarm system here at our facility and some other couple exciting things. So again, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and drop a comment. Try to get to them as soon as I can. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!